All right, we're going to do our math today. We're done with chapter 10, which was addition. And today we're going to start chapter 11, which is subtraction. Now we have 3 math words I want to explain to you. We have in all, take away, and left. Now, when we do subtraction, and this would be a subtraction sentence, we always start with the in all number. When we added, we would end up with in all. But in subtracting, we're starting with in all. So in this case, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars in all. The second math word is take away. That's when we know what that means. We take something away. And in this case, we see that 1 car we will take away. We're taking this 1 car away from the 5 cars in all. And then the third math word is left. How many are left? So after we take away 1 car, how many would be left? And what I want you to do when we do these problems, with your crayon or ideally your pencil, you look at this number. How many are we taking away? I want you to go to the in all picture and draw a line through how many are being taken away. So in this case, it's 1. And if you draw a line through this 1 car, pretend it's not there anymore. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's look at our first problem. This is on page 383. Duck number 1. Again, with subtraction, we start with the in all. And right here, there is 5 birds in all in the nest. So what number would you write on this line? You would write 5. How many birds are we taking away? 1, 2. So what would we write on this line? The number 2. And now we have to see how many are left. Again, what I would recommend is you draw a line through 2 birds. It really doesn't matter which 2 birds, but be careful when you draw your line, because then you'll count how many birds are left. So if we drew a line between this bird and this bird, then it would be 1, 2, 3 birds are left in the nest. Card number 2, we have airplanes. How many airplanes in all? Remember, we start with the in all number first. 1, 2, 3. You'll write your number 3 here. How many are taken away? 1, 2, 3. So what do we write on this line? That's right, we write 3. So we have to see how many are left. Now, many of you will already know the answer, but again, you can just go over to the in all picture, and we're drawing a line through 3 of them because these are the 3 that we will take away. They're lined through this one, and this one. And how many are left? None. And what number means none? 0. Now, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause this because I want to do this page and the next page together and then give you 1 page to do on your own. So we're now on page 384. And here we have the in all. We have a fish tank. And let's count how many fish are in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many fish in all? 6. How many fish do we take away? 1, 2. So what number do we write on this line? 2. That's what subtraction is all about, taking away. So I would draw a line through this fish and this fish, and we'll see how many fish are left. Well, when you go ahead and draw a line on those 2 fish, because that's how many we take away, and there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 fish left. So on this line, I'm going to write the answer, 4. Part number 2, we have bees. With subtraction, we start with the in all number. How many bees in all? And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what number goes on this line? That's right. Write the number 8. If we had our smartboard, I'd be able to write it with you, but for now, you can just see I'm trying to make the 8 with my cursor. Next number is the takeaway. How many bees are we taking away? 1, 2, 3, 4. So please write the number 4 on this line, which I'm doing with my cursor. 8 bees in all. Take 4 away. So our next step, again, you might know the answer already, and that is awesome. Or you can draw a line. We're drawing a line through 4 of the bees in the in all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does not matter which bees you decide to cross out. If we cross out these 4 bees, let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be our answer. How many bees are left? And we'll write it on this line. 8 bees in all. 4 we take away. 8 are left. Now for the right about it, what you're going to do, I want you to write down, let's see how many balloons we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's our in all number. What you're going to do is pretend the wind blew some balloons away. You draw how many balloons you think the wind will take away, and then you'll write that number here, and then how many balloons are left. So this is many, many answers that we can have. So you decide. We start with 8 in all. You draw the balloons that we take away. How many? Can't be more than 8 though. Remember that. And then how many are left. And then what you'll do on your own is the next page, 385. Here's our practice. Remembering the in all, take away, left. And you'll have duck number 1, heart number 2. Okay. Let me stop share. So we're entering the world of subtraction. Addition, we put parts together to make a big group. Subtraction, we're going to take away part of a group. So enjoy doing this page. I will see you all at 10:30 and enjoy. It's Friday. And this will be it for our work for this week. I'll see you soon.